subscription so far, and for the new members, don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment on the comment section, and let's be a family. This is Beyond Being D. Before I show you today's video, I want to thank you for the subscription so far. Let's keep growing. Yes, thank you. So today I decided to give you a house tour, not really a house tour, my living area tour. And the main thing I wanted to do this is because I have made pieces for my house, because it's a DIY channel, remember, and I would want you to leave a comment, comment on the comment section for me to know how you feel about my DIY pieces. So guys, let's start the tour. So from the entrance, when I got in this house, I realized that there was no road here. So I had to install this curtain holder, let's say, for my door. Yes, by myself. I bought it and then I fixed it. So I fixed it because I wanted I wanted to have my curtain there. And then I decided to fix this curtain and this other one, as you can see. So sometimes I do it in like that. During the day it's like that. Yes. This is my shear. Okay, I know you're asking what is this. I was lucky to get around 8 of them. I went to an ex-UK shop some time back. Then I saw them and I was like, let me just pick them. I know where to fix them. And I was able to fix them. One here at the door, the rest are all over the house. Yes, and I love my door having the curtain and, and the shear. Yes. So immediately you enter in my room, the first thing you see after the door is this pillow. The pillowcase, I bought it at 30 bob. I'm telling you, 30 bob. And then I had to fill in fiber, the one I had. And then we have this nice, let's say, basket. I use it to have my keys, my sanitizer, or anything else I need that I don't want to forget when going out. Yes, next we have these flower vase. You can scroll on my other videos for you to find out where I bought it and how much I bought it. And these are my flowers that I love so much. I also have water inside. To maintain these flowers, they've been here for like 2 weeks now. I just change water 2 to 3 days. Yes, and you see they're nice and they're still so alive. So next is my scented candle that I bought in an ex-UK shop. It's also still on the same video with this vase, and also the tray here. And I don't know what I was doing. I just found myself wrapping this ribbon. It's among the ones that I've hung on my door. So this other nice piece, yes, I bought it and I ended up putting these, I don't know what to call them. I just found them being sold and then I came and poured them here. I wanted to spray paint them, but hey, I saw them reacting with the spray paint, so I just had to leave them the way they are. Yes, so this one stays here. So next thing is my TV stand or cabinet, if you want to call it. It's white in color with these lights. I love white. Actually, I just love white. So that is why I chose it. And white with the lightings, those downlighters. Yeah, it looks good. I know you love it. Yes, if you want to know where I got it, you can leave a comment on the comment section and I'll get to you. So this other side is where I have my couch or sofa, or call it whatever you want, that's okay. And I love the color also. I don't like the ones that are too bright. And if you check, these are my own DIY throw pillows. This one is white and silver, if you can see it well. And then it's this one is dark gray and some dark blue, let's say. Yes, and you can also see some of my other white throw pillows. I have so many throw pillows. I'm going to show you them one day. Here's another DIY pillow. Yeah, it's still white and silver. If you see there, I have my, yes, I have my window, and I love my curtains having some gathers, so when I go buy, I buy an extra snitters because I want them to have the gathers. And then on the other side, you can see my DIY photo frame that I showed you. Make sure you watch my other videos for you to know how you can make this one for your living area. You can see them. Others. So on this other corner, we have this corner. Yes, it's my corner. This is where I have my flower. You can see it's still doing well, and my other flower is also there. So I also have this other decor. It's part of the other side. These I had before I made mine. These ones I bought. I don't feel like removing them yet because I've not decided how I'm going to work on this other side of wall. Yes. So guys, my other piece that I love so much is my carpet. This one I have never regretted buying it. It's big in size. I can't remember the size, but it is big enough. And I would want to show you the other side. This is how it looks. If you can see it well. And I'm telling you, I think I love white and gray. You can tell it from everything you see here. I love white and gray. So this other section, this is entry to my kitchen and the other rooms, and this is where I'm not an early morning person, so this is where I keep my work. When I'm going to work, I just pick. You can see this is where I keep them, and then I just pick them when I'm going out. Otherwise, yes, wale watu hawajui kuamka mapema. Hi. So this is where we wash our hands. You can see. This is where I have my other flower here, and this is one of my pieces that I made. Yes, I am yet working on this one. I would have wanted to change the color. Yes, let me say I will change, but bado I haven't decided what to do with it. Yes, that's my flower there. Miss you. And I have this pillow, throw pillow here. They were my first pillow. They're still new. I don't like red. I don't love red. I have 3 of them in case you're interested. Leave a comment on the comment section. I will bless you with them. There are 3 new ones. Yes, so this is my other piece. If you can see it, I love these pieces. And these other pieces were there before I started making these ones. But those sijapata nguvu ya kuzitoa. Yes, I don't know if kama nitazitoa. Yes. So this other door leads to my balcony. My balcony is another day. It's a case of another day. Hiyo ni story ya siku ingine. So, and I still have my silver hangings. 2 of them here. If you can see them. I'm telling you, sometimes you get something and you don't know what to do with it and it looks pretty. Just pick it. You will definitely get an idea of how to work on them. Yes, if you're asking what is this is my salt shaker. I know it's tiny, but it's pretty. Okay, that's enough for today. I hope you loved or you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Plus don't forget to leave a comment there for me to know you are here, what you loved, what you didn't love. And if you need, in case you need anything, just write it there on the comment section and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching today. Stay safe.